Good morning students of class 6. Today we are going to complete the revision of chapter number 3, that is Indus Valley Civilization. Okay. So we will cover the two topics today, religion and causes for the decline of Indus Valley Civilization. So first of all, let's start the topic religion. The people of Indus Valley civilization were religious. How? Because they worshipped the nature at that time in the form of gods. Yes, they worshipped animal, birds and trees, which are actually the natural things, and they worshipped these things. That's why it is said that they worship natural things. In history, it is said that nature is God. Why? Because, like, take the example of sun, moon, mountains, trees, rivers, etc. They all are very useful to us. Without these, we cannot survive. Air, water, all things we can treat as God. Okay? Because they give us, they provide us life. And without them, we cannot survive. At the same time, they can also take the lives of human beings. So, who is God? The God is someone who has the power to give us life and who has the power to take the lives. And nature, the examples that we have discussed, because of these things, we people survive. Yes? So why not we can treat the nature as a God? Yes? That's why in Hinduism, I think, people worship the tree, like people. Yes, people, it is a sacred tree, and in Hinduism people worship the tree. People, yes, cow, we worship cow. Yes, it is an animal. So these are very important in our day-to-day lives. Yes, that's why Indus Valley civilization, during Indus Valley civilization, the people worshipped nature as gods. Okay. Apart from nature, they also worshipped a female form of God. Yes, and they also worshipped a god in the form of male. Yes, so we can say by these examples that people were they gave respect to women at that time because they worshipped the goddess. Yes, and they also worshipped the god in the form of male. So men and women both were equally important at that time, we can say. Yes. Now it is given in the book that Lord Shiva or Pasupati that we worship today, actually it was Shiv was worshipped at that time also. On the seal, which were very famous in Indus Valley civilization, three-headed god was depicted on the seals. and who was in the position of yogic, we can say. Yes, so sorry, uh, yogic posture actually it will be used. Okay, so three-headed bearing a god was depicted on the seal, whose posture was in who was in yogic posture. Okay, and later that god became the Shiv or Pasupati. Yes, so this is about the religion of Indus Valley civilization. We also talked about the Great Bath. So during religious ceremonies, people used to take bath in Great Bath. Okay, so by these examples we can say that people were very much religious. Okay, the Indus Valley people also believed the life after death. Yes, what is the reason? How can we say that the people believed in life after death? Because when they buried the deads, they kept some of the things which was used by that person, like the ornaments, food items, we can say, and the other articles by that was used by them in their daily life. Okay, so all their belongings, some of their important belongings were kept with the dead, okay, person. So that in this way we can say that people believed in life after death. Okay, so this much is given in our book about the religion. So overall we can say that Indus people were religious. They worshipped god, goddesses, okay, and nature as well. But the very important thing is that there were no temples at that time. Okay, during excavation we didn't find the remains of any temples. So at that time the construction of temple was not in fashion. Okay, now we are going to read about the causes for the declination of Indus Valley civilization. So first of all, it is given in our book that the site, that is Mohenjo-daro. Okay, during the excavation of Mohenjo-daro, it reveals that the city was destroyed again and again and was rebuilt at the same site 9 times. Yes, so why it is said in our book, it might be that the enemies invaded the Mohenjo-daro city and destroyed, it was destroyed by the enemies. Okay, but the people again built the city 9 times. It is given in the book. So we can say there was a threat to the people of Indus Valley civilization from foreign we can say invaders. Okay, now we are going to talk about the other causes. The other causes are we can say the natural disasters, we can say like earthquakes, flood and epidemics. These were the reasons for the declination of Indus Valley civilization. It might be that in the river Indus, due to this river the flood might have come during that period, and people went away from those areas to another areas. It also might have happened that there was change in the climate at that time, and land became unfertile. So it can also be the reason for the declination of Indus Valley civilization. Apart from this, earthquakes and the other natural disasters might have been taken place at that time, which could have been destroyed the Indus Valley civilization. And the very important reason, cause we can also say for the declination of it, that was the attack of Aryans. Yes, and we have just discussed that Mohenjo-daro city was destroyed many times, and it was built also many times. Okay, so there was threat from the Aryans, who also would have attacked on this civilization, and it also might be the reason for the declination of Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so these were the some of the regions. We can just guess that these might be the reasons for the declination of Indus Valley civilization. There is not any perfect cause suggested by the historians for the declination of this civilization. Okay, so in this way we have completed the revision of chapter number 3. In the next video we will revise chapter number 5 of history. So till then, goodbye and thank you.